Makikita mo nang luto na ang aming bilo-bilo.
Sarap!
Ayan.
Tingnan nyo naman guys.
Ayan.
Siyempre, sino pa ba? The one and only. Inday
Ayan,
Ruth.
oh.
Hey! Shout out naman sa Inday Ruth.
Hello, hi guys. Ayan, maglalagay na tayo ng sago. Huwag ko nang ubusin kasi marami naman na yata eh.
Sarap.
Ayan. Let's see first.
No need na para kumain ng rice.
Siguro ubusin na lang natin, no? Kasi parang konti. What do you think?
Sige.
Ubusin na natin. Ayan.
Masarap naman yan eh. Wow.
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 Perfect.
So very colorful. Wow.
See, punong-puno na nga agad, oh.
The one and only. Inday Ruth. Inday Ruth is in the house.
Let's eat now.
Yes.